Welcome everyone. In today's video, we shall begin with practice set 5. So the first question we can read is construct triangles of the measures given below. In triangle MAN, measure angle MAN is 90 degrees, length AN is 8 centimeter, length MN is equal to 10 centimeters. So first we are going to draw our rough diagram for it. If you observe this practice set, it is all about right angled triangle. So accordingly, if we see that measure angle MAN is 90 degrees, so I am going to draw a right angle triangle for it. The side which is opposite to 90 degree is known as hypotenuse. If you observe the measure again, MAN is 90 degree. So on point A, my measure should be 90 degree. So in that way, I have labeled the points or the vertices. AN is 8, MN is 10 centimeter. So we are supposed to be very careful while labeling all the points and all the sides. Now we will come to our construction part. In our construction, first we are going to draw the base, that is AN. So make a straight line from 0 to 8 centimeters. Yes, exactly 8 centimeters. After drawing a straight line, we are supposed to label the end points and write down the measure. Once we do this, I am going to take my protractor, place it on point A exactly, very nicely, and then mark 90 degree. Make a small mark of 90 degree just as I am doing it. Now draw a vertical line, straight vertical line from the mark which we made till point A. So this is our 90 degree angle. After we do this, the next step, take our geometrical compass. With the help of our scale, we are going to take the measure of 10 centimeter on it. Just as I am doing it, see 10 centimeter. From 0 to 10 exactly we are supposed to measure. Exactly 10 centimeter. No less or no more. Like this. See, exactly 10 centimeter. Now the pointed tip of the compass, I am going to place it on point N and make a mark on the vertical line of 90 degree which we made. See, when we make an arc there, we get one point, intersecting point. So from there we are supposed to draw a line till point N. When we draw this line, we get a right angled triangle. Finally, we are supposed to label all the vertices and write down all the measures which are given in the question. Be very careful while writing the measures. Second question, in the right angle triangle STU, hypotenuse SU is 5 centimeter and length ST is equal to 4 centimeter. So once again, we will start with a rough diagram. While drawing it, as we know that this exercise is about right angle triangle, I am going to draw a right angle. Not necessarily that the angle should come on the left hand side or right hand side. We can do it anyway. So this is my right angled triangle. After drawing it, I am going to write down the names of the vertices and later on I am going to write down the measure of the sides. Hypotenuse SU is 5, so I am going to write down them. Now coming to our construction part. First thing, we are going to draw our base. So our base ST is 4 centimeter. So from 0 to 4 centimeter, we are going to draw one straight horizontal line. From 0 to 4 centimeter, exactly 0 to 4 centimeter. Mark the end points and then write down the names of the end points and also the measure. Once we do this, the next step is drawing a right angle 90 degree. So place the protractor on point T and mark 90 degree. Draw a vertical line from the point marked till point T, just as I am doing it. Take your protractor, On a protractor, as we know that in the question they have written hypotenuse SU is 5 centimeter. So I'm going to take 5 centimeters on my on my compass. Pointed tip should be on S and the mark or the arc should be made on the vertical line of 90 degree. And then join the points. Yes, just like that. So once we join the points, we get a triangle like that. And then we are supposed to check whether we have written down the names of all the vertices and the names or the measures of all the sides and the angles. The third question, in triangle ABC, length AC is equal to 7.5 centimeter, measure angle ABC is equal to 90 degree and length BC is 5.5 centimeters. So once again we are going to begin with a rough diagram. As we can see in the question, again we can see 90 degrees, which means a right angle triangle. So I am going to draw a right angle triangle. Roughly we are supposed to draw a right angle, no need to measure it with the help of protractor and scale. After drawing the triangle, label all the vertices and write down the measures of all the sides. After doing that, write down the measures, correct measures on correct sides, as we already know on which side we are supposed to write down which measure. It is given in the question. So now we will begin with our construction part. First thing, drawing the base of our triangle. So from 0 to 5.5 centimeters, draw a line, straight line, exactly 5.5. Mark the endpoints, write down the names of the endpoints and also the measure. Once this is done, take your protractor, place it on point B, as in the rough diagram also we can see right angle is at point B. Mark 90 degree and draw one vertical straight line from the mark till point B, just like this. Later on, take your compass and take 7.5 centimeters on it with the help of a scale. Hypotenuse they have given 7.5, so 7.5 we will take. Place the pointed tip on point C and make an arc on the vertical 90 degree line. Once we do that, we are supposed to join or make a line from point C till the arc which we made. This is how we get a right angle triangle ABC. Label all the vertices and write down all the measures of all the sides which are mentioned. The fourth question, in triangle PQR, length PQ is equal to 4.5 centimeter, length PR is 11.7 centimeter and measure angle PQR is 90 degree. So once again we will start with our rough diagram. In our rough diagram, we are going to make our base first. After making the base, make the other sides of the triangle. Once again, PQR is 90 degree, so it should be a right angle triangle. After making the triangle, label all the vertices and write down the correct measures of the sides. See, PQ was 4.5, so base will be 4.5. And PR, see, PR is 11.7 centimeter. Hypotenuse is 11.7. So accordingly, I will write 11.7 centimeter. Once this is done, I am going to go to my construction part. So for the construction, I am going to draw my base first. Base we have taken PQ as 4.7. So with the help of a scale, from 0 to 4.5 centimeter, draw a straight line. Exactly 4.5 centimeters. PQ is 4.5 centimeters. Now take your protractor, place it on point Q, mark 90 degree as I am doing and draw a straight vertical line. After drawing a straight vertical line, the next step, See, draw a long line. Take your compass, your scale. On your compass, measure 11.7 centimeter with the help of a scale. Be very careful, students. Exactly 11.7 centimeters. So this is 11.7 centimeter. You all can see it is exactly 11.7 centimeters. Place the pointed tip on point P and make a mark on the vertical 90-degree line which we have drawn. See, if you all observe that my two lines are not intersecting each other, so we need to extend this vertical line further. Yes, just like that. So when we extend it, they are meeting each other at one point. So from that point till point P, we are going to draw one line. And when we draw that line, we get a triangle. After doing so, write down the names of all the vertices and the correct measures on the correct side. So this is how we end practice set 5. Thank you.